I eat really healthily throughout the day, but after a long day at work and getting in my workout, I lose willpower to make something healthy and end up grabbing something quick for dinner. Any tips? Yes, Sandra. So you mentioned the word willpower. I think the key is to not rely on your willpower, because we have a limited willpower budget throughout the day. You can read about this. There are a lot of interesting books. I think one's called The Willpower Budget or The Willpower Effect or something like that. But the point, I'll spare you from actually reading the book, the point is that we go through the day making hundreds of decisions. The average human literally makes dozens, if not hundreds, of decisions during the day. And some decisions are simple, like, should I start working right now? Yes, I'm supposed to start working right now. Should I turn on Free Coaching Friday? Yes. But that's a great example, actually, because I don't have to use willpower. I like Free Coaching Friday, so I wouldn't even need willpower anyway. But if I didn't, it just happens. It's programmed. 3 o'clock, clients don't book this schedule. This is just what I do. I don't ask myself, should I do this? Do I want to do this? I just do it. And that same thing applies to you, Sandra, eating dinner at night. There is a major reason why I do my meal planning and food prep on every single Sunday, even when I don't want to do it. It's because that reduces my decision-making ability or need for decision-making throughout the week. And so I was describing the book and then I got off track. The book basically says you make so many decisions during the day that at the end of the day you have decision fatigue and you lose willpower. You don't have willpower. This is why people tend to overeat at night. Even if you eat healthily throughout the day, then at night you're like, ugh, forget that. I've gone to work. I've done what everyone else wants me to do. Now I just need to not be good anymore, right? And then you lose your willpower at night. So rather than relying on that willpower, set up systems so that you don't have to make a decision. When I go home and it's a Tuesday night or whatever, I literally have my dinner in a Tupperware ready to go. I don't have to make any decision. If you asked me right then after a busy day, oh, do you want this, zucchini noodle pad thai, or do you want a big bowl of ice cream? Now, I love zucchini noodle pad thai, and it's great, and it's delicious and filling and makes me feel good, but I would choose ice cream in a heartbeat if I actually made that decision, right? I'm human too. I like ice cream and chocolate and pizza and all this kind of stuff. So if I let myself think about that and ask that question, then I might not be able to have the willpower to make the healthy decision. But if I don't even ask the question, if I don't rely on willpower, if I have the systems in place that just make the decision easy for me, then I'm much more likely, or 100% likely, to stick to that healthy choice. So my number one answer for you, Sandra, is to do your meal planning and food prep. The second part of that is to have a list of go-to meals that you can throw together or meals that you can pick up, and keep that on your phone. And literally when you feel that, I'm gonna drive through Chick-fil-A, or I just want to order pizza or whatever, make yourself pull out this list and you see a couple of things, 5, 7 things that you look forward to that you actually enjoy that are really easy to do. So I always used to do what I called the ugly secret, which is like a frozen veggie burger or a can of tuna or eggs or some other kind of protein, and then frozen vegetables, literally as simple and not glamorous as it sounds, and put that all together, heat it up with tomato sauce and nutritional yeast or Parmesan cheese or something like that on top. That used to be my go-to super fast option. It's really actually delicious. It tastes like chicken Parmesan, but it's healthy and I don't have to have groceries on hand. You could also have, like, let's say I'm going to drive by Snap Kitchen or I'm going to drive by something really healthy. But if you have this black and white feeling in your mind, I'm going to cook some kind of big fancy meal, or I'm going to drive through Burger King, and you don't really see the middle ground. Ooh, sorry. Phone's not supposed to ring. If you don't really see the middle grounds, then sometimes you're going to choose the Burger King or whatever. So having that list of middle grounds, quick, easy, delicious options that you can always pull up on your phone and just choose one, that can be really helpful as well.